Hello everyone.
This is Charmander, Queen, and
D for doggy.
yeah, I was gonna say knockout.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that was my old gamer name. So
Yes.
we have a new series called How to Build Minecraft PC. Ba-dum bum. And we spawn next to a village. And
Yeah, jeez, that's
okay.
Where's the spirit
He is in my bucket. And if you don't know already, if you can't see already, we are kids. We are young, irresponsible kids. Like probably most of you are. Because you guys are probably kids as well.
Hey, it's not like we're gonna maybe some new YouTubers might come and watch our videos. And I think this is what we're gonna do for most of our life.
Well,
Until we get real jobs, I think this is just what we're gonna do for most of our lives.
yeah. So, if you don't know what we're doing, one sec.
Where?
Yeah. If you don't know what this is, basically, we're going to teach you how to build.
Yeah.
So, first thing we're going to build is what, Charmander Queen?
Well, obviously, basic house.
Okay, so a basic house. Probably the first material you're going to need is wood.
Dirt.
Wood. And
Hey,
let's take some dirt too.
yes.
So wood and dirt.
If you don't have dirt, you do not live.
So wood and
We are
dirt.
made out of dirt.
So wood and dirt.
Yeah, wood and dirt.
So the first thing you do is you go pretty much 5 by 5. So 1,
And then you
2,
kill the
3,
slime.
4, 5.
And then you kill slime.
Okay.
Kill the slime.
First, I think we need to do some enchanting.
Yeah, Dee, do some enchanting. I like enchanting.
So if you don't know, I love to fight with axes. So I'm going
Yeah,
to
they kill spiders very easily. No.
knockback, fire aspect, and no, we don't need looting. We don't
No,
need
I know you need looting. Who doesn't need looting? Looting is awesome.
looting. Is awesome when you're part of a team.
Yeah, jeez.
Okay, that's if you don't know that.
Is it?
That's okay. That's and oh. Okay, so let's do some minor enchanting.
Yeah, minor.
Sharpness, knockback, two of the most important things. Smite and fire aspect. Now let's try to combine these two. Why does it always leave out level 5s? It's so blinking annoying. Wait, we need the sharpness one, most importantly. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this. What do we... Okay, this is... You know what I say? I say ridiculous. Just ridiculous.
Ridiculous.
Ridiculous! It takes out smite, but... Okay, I've had much better axes than this. Like, this is a horrible axe. In my opinion. Die! Die slime. Die slime. Die slime! Okay.
That is an epic axe. but-
Once I got it, and it could one hit everything. Let's get rid of that. Well, this is annoying, so we definitely need sharpness, knockback, fire
How
aspect.
about you put all of the enchantments?
I'm gonna put power. Like, power is good.
Put all of the enchantments on it.
Infinity, so it will last forever.
Yeah, maybe.
If you press control, you go really fast. Like, look.
Oh, it's sprint?
Normal, and then control, zoom.
So that's how you sprint.
Or you do this. You double click W. Now I'm speeding like Speedy Gonzales. Okay, so sharpness and sharpness and fire aspect. I love those two enchants. Then infinity,
Oh, it's like it's a bow. It's like there's a
knockback, power. Now let's see if we can get all 5 enchants in one book. Oh my gosh! Look at that! Look at that! Oh yeah, super powerful, super powerful. Now this is what I'm talking about. Look at this. I don't think I'll one-shot it. Wait, let's see if it burns to death. Oh yeah, look at that. Okay, definitely one hit these. I can two hit these. But it also or a sword. If I have a sword and the exact same enchant, it's probably gonna do it like 13.25. Anyway, back to building. So I suggest you do 7 by 7, and then you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and you just build along.
Wait, no, are we building like a villager house?
No, we're building the house, and then like use whatever you have. If you have lapis blocks, build it out of lapis. So like then you go one higher.
Yes.
I'm not saying you have to use these exact blocks, but if you want,
It's a suggestion.
yeah.
It's
And
just to show
let's
you
say you
how-
have let's get something cool. How about
Um,
endstone?
We
Endstone.
need to announce something about our PE, how to build.
Oh yes, we have to restart the series because my tablet got rebooted, and then I lost PE World, sad face. So now we have to restart, and now comes the dirt.
Dirt.
So you do it about 3 high, and depends on how much materials you have.
Yeah,
So
geez.
I'd call
Usually
it.
my first house is only 2 blocks high.
Me too, but since we're just starting off, well, so, guys, leave in the comments if you think this should actually be our house for the series. Actually, I think it should be. This is our house for the series.
No, we could make maybe.
Or mansion. Like, mansion can be further on, so then you need to break out
This
the
is our
torches.
holiday home.
Then you need to break out the torches. You just break them out like no man can.
It's
And you just
it's
place on them.
holiday home.
Holiday! Wait, what? Okay,
One day we need to create a server so we
Alert,
can edit
alert.
each other on PC.
alert, 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 alert. I messed up. I made it too far out, so we need to do this. So let's see how far this is. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good. I should have just done it with this one, like 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever. That would have been much easier. Okay. Now we got. I chucked away my lapis and my endstone. Where's my endstone?
Like if you want, I recommend stain
Let's make a blue stained glass.
or sweet style.
Whoopa squiddy style. Eh. Squiddy. Okay, we're bad at this.
Yeah.
We're bad at making songs. Well, me and my friend, we call ourselves the parody
Parody
people.
Brothers.
Parody people, but
Parody Brothers, I thought you were
no. Do you want? Okay, I'm gonna just be weird here. We're gonna have an anvil floor.
Sweet. I say sweet.
Sweet. That's how Charmander Queen says sweet. Sweet. Okay, another one of my friends, like they do. Okay, if you left click by accident, well, if you right mouse click by accident, I'm gonna be doing this a lot. I'm gonna be like, no. I dropped my anvil. Okay, wait. You know what I need to do?
Like throwing away your axe.
Wait. Slash clear. And here you go. Here's a starter house.
Yeah, put a chest.
Wait, I think we need to change the floor. Red sand. Let's make
Yeah, I
it.
love red sand. Just change like
Let's make it a sand and a red sand pattern.
or just do like that or
We're gonna probably be doing a lot of time set days. And yeah, so
or I can just build through banana.
build. Oh, do you? No, it's like and call upon the torch tonight. Da 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 da.
Sing your
It's
really
time.
weird parody about is it like in the jungle?
Oh, in the jungle, the mighty jungle, the tiger sleeps tonight. A tiger is a snake and a tiger. When he farted, the volcano erupted, and all the animals went die, except for him. And that
If you
is the
agree
tiger
that
song.
is stupid, just like write it in the comments.
Yeah, like write in the comments, hashtag stupid song. Hashtag awesome. I'm a beast at hashtags. Die.
Or you
Die.
can just say like just
Hashtag
do
awesomeness.
whatever you.
What doors? What doors? You know what we're going to do? What doors?
I like the iron door.
Iron door? Okay, you know what I'm going to do?
Yeah, make it like a timer, so it only opens in the day. It's
No.
like a jail cell, so it only opens in the day. Ha!
Wait, I want to see how long, if this is perfect, if you're sprinting. Perfect! That is so perfect. Like, nobody can get in except us. Because we have a secret. At the top, there's just going to be a small hole.
Yeah.
Except, I'm going to do a trap door, so nobody will find out. What's coarse dirt?
I don't know.
In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the tiger sleeps tonight. Yes, he does. Okay, so this is our new... Okay, I really need a bow.
Yeah.
First, pretty much the first thing you do is you craft some tools, and you get a bed. So, BED, we don't want bedrock. Oh, pfft. Meow,
Yeah, it's
meow.
pretty annoying after a while, but good thing this is only
Good. So now we will sleep, and then we will like that, and we will send it out. This is weird. It's like it's haunted. Sorry for the loud mouse clicking. So I think that is the end of the first episode because I do not know how long it has been. But thank you everybody for watching, and we will hope to see you. Is that okay? Last thing, is that okay? From a distance, it looked like the witch was riding. It's like a witch jockey.
Yeah.
See, don't you think it looks like the witch is riding it?
Yeah, I thought it was a skeleton
Yeah.
for a second.
So
It was a
thank you for watching, everyone, and we will see you next episode. 3, 2, 1, bye.
Charmander the Queen out.
Ba ba ba.